Have you ever found a file on Google Drive but completely forgot where it's actually stored? Maybe it's shared with you, or you searched for it, but now you need to know its exact folder location. Well, in this full 2025 guide, I'll show you how to easily find the location of any file in Google Drive, step by step, so you'll never lose track of your files again. Google Drive makes it super simple to locate files, but many users overlook this built-in feature. Let's get started. First, open your Google Drive on your computer. You can either search for the file using the search bar or scroll through your recent files. Once you find the file, simply right-click on it. From the menu that appears, look for the option called Show File Location. Click on it, and Google Drive will instantly take you to the folder where the file is stored. This is especially useful when you've accessed a file via search results or a shared link, and you want to know its original place in your drive. If you're using the preview mode, you can also find the location by clicking the small folder icon right next to the file name at the top. This will open the containing folder without leaving your current window. And yes, this works not only for your own files, but also for files shared with you, provided you still have access to them. Remember, this trick is incredibly helpful when cleaning up your drive or organizing shared files, because knowing where they live is the first step to staying organized. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to show the file location on Google Drive in 2025, whether you're on desktop or mobile. If this tutorial saved you time, hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and drop a comment if you have any questions or tips to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.